he has brought me the package. Thanks, boy. Okay, so thank you to Cole for bringing my package. We got a couple of updates for the Audi. So I'm going to be throwing on some new emblems today. I got the black emblems, kind of hard to see them in here. There you go. But we're gonna go ahead, swap out all the chrome for the black because kill all chrome, it's the way it should be. And then we have some more parts that have been coming in and kind of stockpiling behind the scenes. So we're gonna start to actually kind of build this car performance wise soon. So I'll maybe give you a couple snippets of that stuff. For now, we're just gonna stay focused on the emblems and see how she looks with the new black ones. Okay guys, so that sums up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I definitely love the black emblems over the chrome. I'm not really a chrome person, but overall they turned out pretty good and I can't complain. So I like the look. I think it's a lot more aggressive, and I have so much more coming for this car. We have a lot of performance parts getting ready to go in, so please stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe.